Because I'm going to say, Uri, una manda chet na manda. Power versus, there is power versus money. You understand? You get a point. I don't have money, I have power. For now, until when? Only God knows until when. You understand? So, there are people that feel like you don't deserve the best. And God is like, you know what? I will do this magic for you to share power. Now I'm happy with you guys buying my tickets online. I'm happy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So tomorrow it's power versus money. Tomorrow. You have the money, I have power. Let's see tomorrow. Yes. It's not a secret. It's no longer a secret. Yeah. How can you limit me to give me that date in my hometown? In a place where I sweated years to represent, and you come and say you want to do a show without me? Yes. With your money, I'm saying yes. No. And you know what? I'm not scared of anything. Now I trust God. I don't trust a human being. If you feel like you block me, block me. God won't block me. He will open that door. Never.